An illegal gun factory here, so we're going here inside. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Yeah. Wow. Shit. Okay, so this is the real illegal gun factory in Pakistan. It's crazy stuff. So it's kind of a father and son job apparently. They have underground here, and now we can also go upstairs, I think. Oh, this is the Italian cup again. Made as Italia. Made as Italy, yeah. Good. Are you getting inspired? Hello. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Also a lot of gun copies here. Ah, you have here. Yeah. You had your last supper, David. So we keep going. This illegal gun factory is everywhere. Oh yeah. This is a cool one. Oh yeah.
$1,000. I can get cheaper in Ireland.
You probably have, David. And now you can have it on your arm. Cool. You can do like this also? Yeah. We are trying the guns out and finding out which one to buy. Kelly, is it a lady one?
Turkey.
It's a Turkey one. Yeah. And Kelly, she's actually half from Turkey.
Half Turkey.
Are you half Turkey, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Proud.
It was loaded.
It was loaded. Oh, you fucking maniac.
You have one loaded.
No. And
Yes.
You had the finger?
No, I was going to take it to bullets out.
Fucking hell. Oh shit. Yeah, it was loaded. Okay, can we go outside? Maybe shoot in the air? Maybe celebrate a wedding? Is it possible to shoot in the air or no? Can we shoot in the air? Okay, we can go a place and shoot with them? Okay, cool. What's that, David?
Yeah, they're very excited. Let's go test it out.
So now we can actually go test these things before we might buy. Yeah, this is very cool. Let's go try this stuff then. So I need to be sure that there's no bullets in this, because in the other room David has had one loaded and he didn't know, and he had almost the finger on the trigger. So I also have that now, but I'll be careful.
It's on the side. Okay.
Look there, the mud. Let's take.
Okay.
You're doing.
Time up. Fuck you way.
One more.
You ready?
Oh shit.
So right now, meanwhile we're shooting down here, we have some some crowd up here. Yeah, cool man. And actually, now Kelly also wants to shoot. She's a yeah. I told you back home that she's a maniac. You're sweating a little bit. It's really hot. Making the guns inside here. So I was actually just a little bit worried if it fired back or something, because it's homemade, but luckily it didn't. And I'm still here. And, this is the fucking real John Cena, you know? We drove 2 hours out of the city so that no one can hear us here, and we're going to shoot with guns here. And it will take the police at least an hour to come here, because yeah, it's way far off. It's far out of the city, so we can get away before they come in case someone is calling the police. So everything should be good, I guess. So in this area there are enemies.
Don't shoot me.
No, I know. But if we shoot someone in the area, think that there's a war going on.
Yes, if we shooting here for not like the other persons, they also believe they are firing at point of us.
Right now, David, we can't shoot at the moment, but because they think if we shoot, then the uneducated people here, they think there's a fight going on because
Return fire.
yeah, they might return fire. So yeah, the case is right now they need to call a lot of people here so we can shoot, otherwise they return the fire, they say it, because sometimes they are in fights here with the locals, so they fight each other. So if we start shooting, they will fire back. So these areas are dangerous.
Yes, dangerous. If gunmen do everything.
So why is it dangerous out here? Because they fight each other, or
Because nobody knows.
so there is a possibility to be kidnapped here?
Not
really.
everything is happening.
Not really, but everything can happen.
Everything happened.
4. Can they be shoot at once, or do I need to reload? Two bullets and then new chamber, what?
No, it just got stuck.
Ah, it got stuck. How many do I have now? We're sitting here with Safra and Emmerdurker, and we have been them out in the outskirts of the Lahore to shoot with guns, and it has been a very, very nice experience to go to see the beautiful area and have the chance to shoot with a gun. And yeah, they have been treated us very nicely, and very, very friendly people here. So what do you think about the experience?
It was great to see some of the Punjab culture, just to get out into the fields, to see everyone working. We felt very safe. It was great to experience it with some local guides. Yes, very happy.
What about you, Kelly?
I didn't shoot the gun, but yeah, it was good to see the boys out the window.
You enjoyed the animals.
Meeting the cows, yeah. It's really beautiful around here, so it was a good experience.
Yeah, so we basically enjoyed it very much, and wishing these two guys a good future, and all of the Pakistan people here. So maybe we should say Zindabad Pakistan.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Here in sketchy areas in Lahore, searching for a brick factory where there is child labor. I want to go and see for myself, and maybe talk to the children.
And they work here.
Yeah, so they live here,
Yes.
over there,
Over there.
and then they work here,
Work here.
chopping the bricks.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So they live here like a whole family?
The whole family.
Yeah.
These
And,
are houses.
and then when it's not rainy season, there will come a lot of more people here to work, and children, and yeah, to chop these bricks off. I'm here at the brick factory here in Lahore, where the children are working as a child labor here. As you can see, there is a lot of bricks here. They can't go to school because they need to work here. Their parents told them to. So yeah, they are not forced anymore by other people, but you can say they are kind of forced still by their parents. So all in all, child labor is still going on here in Pakistan. Almost everyone is Muslim, or there are also some Hindus here, but here at this brick factory, they actually, because there are some people living nearby, they have a church. So this is the church, a little primitive, but at least they can pray, do anything here. So I was telling him, oh, I'm also a Christian, so then he was very happy that we are like brothers, so that's cool. But I'm brothers with everyone. Here's where this family lives, Shukriya, near the brick factory, and sleeps inside here. with the stuff they got. It's not much, but yeah, you can think yourself. Very poor place. So he's at work here, the 14-year-old boy, and I will take a further look down the street because the police actually came and they were a little afraid that because I was filming. Chapati is made inside here?
Yes, made inside here.
Oh, yes. Inside this one.
Inside this one. This is very hot.
Yeah, very hot. I can feel it. Oh. So almost everything of the local food they eat with chapati. And this is how they make it here. This oven. Here we're in the steel shop in Lahore, where you can see the people work here, and I can imagine you can maybe figure out his age yourself. And these two guys here working at the steel shop. Try to go a little more underground here in the backside, so it's not so obvious, and I try to just explain in case they understand what I'm saying. You're working here? You speak English?
Yeah.
You work here?
Yeah.
Now I signed up for a massage here in this beautiful park. I don't know if it's beautiful, is it, David?
It's very beautiful.
Okay. People sleeping and stuff, and yeah, mostly homeless people sleeping here. But I'm going to have a special massage here. This guy, and I'll sit like this, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a special massage, so let's see what is included. What is special massage, David? Do you know something about that?
Jonas,
Yeah.
relax and
Enjoy.
in sleeping style.
Ah, okay. On the stomach or?
First, he starts from your legs.
Okay. So I will lay here
Yes.
in the middle of the park.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Let's have a special massage.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah, it's good.
It's relaxing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Jonas, can you describe it a bit for us?
I can only describe the pain, and it's fucking insane. Right now it's nice.
How are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Denmark.
Denmark.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Welcome to Pakistan.
Zindabad, Pakistan.
How you're feeling?
I'm good.
How is the food experience?
Oh, very good. I like the food here, like the people here.
I like
So
people. Okay, so just to let you know, if you go for like meat over here, like kadai, chicken kadai, beef kadai, you're gonna enjoy this the most. I would suggest you to try kadai over here.
Okay.
Kadai, yeah.
I'll take that.
And some breakfast. There are the special of Lahore. So I wish you will enjoy. If you need anything, I'm here.
Okay.
Any help?
I think I'm good. I have a good
You're a
friend
tour
here.
guide.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's
Then
my-
it will help
it's
you
my friend.
definitely. It will help.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Shukriya.
Donis,
Yeah.
do you wanna fight with this guy?
No, not right now. I'm feeling good.
Okay.
Now I'm just like.
Okay. Okay.
ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਯਾਰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ
Now I'm just.
कह रहे हैं ले
relaxed.
मेरा मुंह नहीं
ਅੱਛਾ ਜੀ
Do he want to fight?
ਕਿਉਂ
No, he is asking me to fight with.
ਚੱਲ ਜੇ
Oh, maybe.
Oh.
ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹਾ ਪੁੱਛ ਦੋ
जोनिस नु दे दियो
जोनिस को दे दो जोनिस को
Jonas, go.
जोनिस जोनिस
ओए 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 लड़पो ओए ओए ये चीज ये रियल फाइट
Yeah.
रियल फाइट यस यस
real for this.
गोश्त वगैरह कुट दो
This is a massage,
yes
and I can even
Hey, man.
watch a fight at the same time.
yes
It's perfect.
oh
Man, what's up?
Oh, good.
Where are you from?
Denmark.
Denmark.
You're from Pakistan, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
How do you like the Pakistan?
Ah, I love it.
You love it?
Yeah,
And
it's
how about
different than
massage?
that.
How about massage?
It's very cool. It's different, but I like it.
He has magic in his fingers.
Yeah, it's very strong. It's crazy.
So, which area do you visit in Pakistan?
Peshawar and Lahore until now, and Karachi. I'm going for Karachi tomorrow. I've been in Afghanistan as well.
So, Delhi se aaya yaar. How about the Pakistani people?
So friendly.
It's very friendly and
They are just the sweetest people.
yes. But international media,
More friendly than Europe. More friendly.
Yes. So, did you ever see Northern Lights in Denmark?
No, not in Denmark, but yes, sometimes. But
Norway
yeah,
Norway.
Norway and Finland and Sweden. Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Hey, thank you guys.
Denmark-Pakistan friendship Zindabad!
Exactly.
Yes.